Okay, we're recording the sewer line here at 6520 17th Avenue Northwest, Seattle, Washington. The date is April 10th, 2018. I'm recording from a clean out in the basement next to the laundry machines. I'm about 80 feet out. What you're looking at there is an offset in the pipe that I can't get my camera past due to the size of the offset and how far out it is. So I'm going to be pulling back from there. This is after cabling already. And I'll show you what we got. We have large roots coming in, especially towards the end of the line here. At each seam. Some offset. There's a massive root there. Another large root there, another root there, another pretty massive. See, that root is huge. That's taking up almost the entire pipe. Again there. I would highly recommend jetting this line, getting all these roots out of here. See, they get smaller as we come back. Those ones out a ways in the line are huge. That's waters from one of the groundwater pumps that just set off. Flat section through there that I just went through. See how there's some sitting water so the camera can't see anything. And we're out there to clean out. I went through down here in the basement next to the furnace. Technician is Casey. He is signing out.